Hello, Victor here from Multifunction Crewe, and I'm delighted to show you around the Skoda Karoq 2.0 TDI SE L DSG 4-wheel drive. Finished in silver and powered by 2-liter diesel engine producing 150 PS, this model comes paired with smooth DSG automatic transmission and 4-wheel drive capability, offering excellent grip and stability in all conditions. The front of the Karoq impresses with full LED headlights, bold grille and practical fog lights. Its SUV proportions give it a strong road presence, chrome windows surround add subtle premium touch, and roof rails complete the profile, making it both stylish and functional. On top of that, 18-inch alloy wheels not only look great but also provide balance right across both town roads and country trails, and around the back the Karoq features sharp LED taillights too. The boot offers plenty of usable space, perfect for family gear and shopping bags thanks to the adjustable floor and split folding rear seats. Loading bulky items is refreshingly simple. Passengers in the back will enjoy comfortable cloth upholstery, excellent headroom and flexible seating thanks to VarioFlex system, ideal for both tall adults and growing families. Front seats are well cushioned and height adjustable, offering good lumbar support for long drives. The layout is clean and functional with everything placed exactly where you want it. The leather multifunction steering wheel offers easy access to key features such as audio and cruise control, while the centrally positioned digital display delivers crisp driving data with ease. Dual-zone climate control allows both driver and passenger to set their perfect temperature, making it a lifesaver in unpredictable British weather. The infotainment system comes with DAB digital radio and media playback via USB, aux and SD card for continuous entertainment. You also benefit from plenty of connectivity options thanks to SmartLink and Bluetooth, as well as Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and MirrorLink. The Skoda Connect allows you to stay connected with real-time traffic and vehicle info, remote access and assistance services, and a built-in navigation system keeps you on track with intuitive directions and live updates. Green Score encourages efficient driving by scoring your eco-performance to help reduce fuel usage and emissions. Settings allows you to customize your vehicle experience, and last but not least, reversing camera provides clear view when backing up. This has been a presentation of the Skoda Karoq 2.0 TDI SE L DSG 4-wheel drive. For more information, give us a call today.